Login issues with Steam are uncommon, but recently, many users received error code 87 when trying to sign into the gaming app. The error is encountered across devices, including Windows, Mac, and mobile. For some people, the error code appeared once, while others came across it persistently on each login attempt. What does error code E87 mean? E87 is a Steam login error that prevents users from signing in and accessing their games. It appears for the following reasons: corrupt Steam cache or files, incorrect date and time set on the device, a recent change of password, two-factor authentication conflicting with the sign-in process. So how do you fix Steam error code E87? Solution 1. Try to repair Steam. To do that, you need a shortcut of Steam Launcher. If you don't have Steam shortcut, go to Steam folder, then right-click at it, choose Send to. Choose Desktop, create shortcut. Right-click at Steam Launcher shortcut, choose Properties. Under Target tab, select the line next to it, then copy the line. Go to bottom left. At Windows search, type Run, open Run. Then paste the line here. Then type /repair. So if this doesn't work, go to Next Solution. Solution 2. Delete corrupted files. Go to Windows search, type Run, open the Run app, then type in %temp%. Now delete all the files here. Try to skip if the system asks you to do it. Now go to Windows search and type Run again. Open the Run app, then type in temp. Delete all the files and skip the files if it asks you to do. Next, restart your PC and see if this works. Solution 3. Power cycle your router. Disconnect your computer from the network, reboot your router, and then check if the issue is resolved. For that, first disable the Wi-Fi on your computer. Now, turn off the router, remove all the cables, and wait for a few seconds as the capacitors discharge. Now, plug all the cables back, and then turn the device back on. Finally, connect to the network and then try signing in. Hopefully, this will do the trick for you. Solution 4. Restart Steam. If rebooting the router didn't work for you, let us restart the Steam client app. Do keep in mind that when closing the app, don't just click on the close icon. Instead, open Task Manager. Right-click on Steam Process and select End Task. Once done, launch Steam, but this time, open it with administrative access and then check if the issue is resolved. Solution 5. Log out of other devices. If you are logged into multiple devices, log out from them and then try. In theory, multiple sign-ins should not be an issue, but due to some bug or glitch, your Steam account is not supporting it. That is why you need to log out from all the devices that you are currently logged into and then check if the issue is resolved. To disconnect from all the devices at once, open your Steam account on any computer and then follow the steps mentioned below. In Steam Client, click on Steam, then choose Settings. Now, navigate to Security. Click on the Deauthorize Devices from Deauthorize All Devices option. Finally, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 6. Use a VPN. Your primary approach when faced with the Steam error code E87 should be to use an effective VPN solution. It will help bypass trivial network-related issues. Solution 7. Set the correct date and time. Go to bottom left, choose Start. Open Settings, go to Time Amp, Language from the navigation pane, and click on Date Amp. Time. Enable the toggle for Set Time Zone automatically and Set Time automatically. If the error persists or Windows shows an incorrect date and time, disable the toggle for both. Next, select your region from the time zone drop-down menu. Click the Change button next to set the date and time manually. Set the date and time as per your region and click Change for both to apply. Changing the device's date and time will help with Steam login errors, especially error code E87. This also helps with Steam error code E84. Solution 8. Change the target field. Right-click on the Steam launcher and select Properties from the context menu. Now, paste the following in the target field under the Shortcut tab. -login, -no React login. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Solution 9. Delete the package folder. Right-click on the Steam and select Open File Location. Scroll up and open the folder package. Select all the files and then hit Delete to clear them. Solution 10. Reset the Steam password. Launch Steam and click on Help. I can't sign in. Click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. Then, follow the instructions. Finally, re-log in Steam to check if this works. For 3 out of 5 users, resetting the Steam password did the trick when faced with error code E87. If you can't change the password through the application, use the official website instead. When we were troubleshooting, this was the fix that worked. This also helps when Steam keeps changing the language, though it's got more to do with privacy. Solution 11. Disable Steam Guard. Only try this solution if you use Steam Guard to log in other devices. This solution only works when you have Steam accessible on another device. If not, head to the next solution. Launch the app, click the Steam menu near the top left, and select Settings. In the Account tab, click on Manage Steam Guard Account Security. Select Turn Steam Guard Off. Click on Remove Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Now follow the instructions to remove Steam Guard. Check if this works. If not, go to next solution. Please enable your Steam Guard again for your account security. Solution 12. Reinstall Steam. First, you need to copy your Steam games to other location, so you don't have to install them again. To do that, right-click at your Steam launcher, then choose File Location. Choose Steam Apps. Choose Common. Then copy what games you want to keep, then paste into another location so you can move them into Steam later. Go to Windows Start. Choose Settings. Choose Apps. Find Steam, then uninstall it. Download Steam again, then install it. Now copy the games back to the common folder. Check if this works.